Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Joom app. You will go to settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Joom app and you can click here. Then in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here in this page you can go to first stop and then you can click on storage in this page, then you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Bye.